Whether you're responding to conversations, checking your pipeline, or generating content with AI, the new app has been rebuilt to make running your business feel effortless. It's cleaner, faster, smarter, and tailored to how you actually work. Let's check how it works. The left-hand navigation is gone, replaced by a sleek app drawer that organizes your tools into smart categories. Type a single word, and the app will instantly pull up what you're looking for by picking up information across conversations, contacts, and opportunities. Access all the AI capabilities from the mobile app, along with the chat history section to keep every past interaction accessible. The new homepage enables you to add your top 4 frequently used modules to the key widgets and quick actions. Let's learn how. Head to the homepage of your app and click the pencil icon in Pinned Apps. Select or unselect the apps you want to have quick access to. You can add up to 4. Use the 6-dot bar to reorganize them, and once satisfied, close the module. The new app is built to be faster, more intelligent, and deeply intuitive, transforming your pocket into a true business command center. We hope you enjoy it.